bottle, you can collect everything that you want. Let's start from the top, LOL. Let's open the side of the LOL. Take the LOL out. Where's the zipper? Here it is. Oh, some socks. Here is her little body, and here is her head. He cannot have a drink. Her bundle is like yesterday. Look at her shirt. It's like yesterday. And also it's a different one. It has hearts on it. So her bottle is colored green. Okay, let's clean this mess up. Let's put it down. Let's go just take off the shoes. There. Another shoe. Now, let's put her head connected together. Connect her head. I cannot connect.
Come on, I help you.
There is a lot of more.
Wow.
Her clothes is very cute. Her hair is very pretty and pink. I like her hair. Put her clothes on. Okay, let's put her shoes on. Let's just let her hair do that. Let's put her bundle on. Oh, it's so cute and so adorable. Look at these. So adorable, right? So it's a Monster High. She have a different brush. It's a Monster High brush, and her bottle is bright.
Okay.
So let's change it with this. We like the changing one, but let's open this one up. Oh my goodness, I can't put it up so hard. Let's put this down. Okay. This time it's a heart zipper. I like heart zipper.
A few moments later.
Let's move this down. Let's pop it down.
Wow.
Wow. I can see her hand. I'll take this.
Wow.
Wow. Look at her hair. It's so adorable. Oh no, her body is broken. So adorable.
So cute.
So cute and so adorable. Let's open it. This time she have a bunny.
Oh.
So adorable. And she have a pink bottle. Water bottle. I can just see her clothes is color purple and it's so adorable and very dark.
Really?
Yep. Very dark and very pretty. Oopsies. Not purple. It's just the same like my LOL kitten. And it's color blue dress. I want to put it onto her. Too small. move this down. Let's see the message. Soul impairment. It's a soul impairment. Let's see this. I already can see it, so I can just have it.
Okay.
It's a crown diamond. Fire. Hot coat. Candy lemon. Clover dragon. Globe. Rain sun. So adorable, right? Let's put her bundle on because it's so adorable. I want to see her. Put on her bundle. Ah! So adorable. Here's the bottle. So adorable. And her shoes are darker pink, not just lighter pink like yesterday. I just want to move. Oh, her clothes. It's same like yesterday. I'm just gonna put it on.
Wow.
Let's put it here. Let's move on to the next one. Okay. Zip it up. Let's throw it away. This time it's a golden one. Wow, it's a golden one this time. I'll just open it and I'll put it up. Okay. Open. She has an includer. Here's the map and it's an includer. She has little fingers and little questions. More. This time it's a golden pink one. She has a sweater. You stick it right here. No? Yeah. You stick it right here. She's Princess Queenie. Oh, that's what her little face. Ah. Okay, let's put on her shoes. And let's go put on her clothes. Okay. Well, so here she is, and she's a cowboy girl. If you enjoy this video, click the thumbs up, and don't forget to click the subscribe and like